Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. When was the last time you cleaned your dishwasher? If you're anything like me, it is the furthest thing from your mind when you're cleaning. I've put dishes into it, they come out clean, and I never think about cleaning the dishwasher itself. But it is really important to do, and I've been trying to do this as a preventative maintenance to maintain the life of my dishwasher. So this is the Affresh Dishwasher Cleaner tabs, and these are really great. They are recommended by major manufacturers of dishwashers, including the brand that I have. So I was really happy to find these. So it's super simple to use, and you can use this even when there are dishes in the load, and it's a really great thing to do on a monthly basis. So I got a 2-pack of these boxes. They actually come with a little checklist there so you can check off when you've done it in the month, so that'll help you remember. And you just run a normal cycle with the tab in there, and then that helps to clean all the things in your dishwasher that you don't see: hoses, the pumps, the spray arms, all the things where gunk and limescale and buildup and grime can just stick there and you're not going to be able to clean it out. This is going to do that for you. So it is a mineral-based formula, and it just helps to break down all that junk that you don't want in your dishwasher. So if you're looking to clean your dishwasher and extend the life of it and just help maintain it so it's working its best, definitely check out these Affresh cleaning tabs. I think they do an awesome job at getting the dishwasher sparkling clean so that it can keep getting your dishes clean. And that's my point of view.